Hello students, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change active voice into passive when active voice is given in simple future tense. So first of all you need to identify which tense is given. So see here, when with subject will or shall is written or with that V1 is given, it means that is simple future tense. So how can you recognize? Will or shall will be written after the subject, and after that first form will be written. So when you change that into passive form, you have to bring object at the place of subject. After that same will or shall you will use, but you need to add here be in simple future tense, and third form and subject will come in the last at the place of object. Then we will do this with few examples. First example is given here in negative. I shall not take the rest. So with I or we use shall. As I told you, see how can you identify? Will or shall will be written along with first form. So here shall is written, okay, and this is first form, but this is in negative. So this is your subject and the rest is your object. So we'll interchange subject and object. So the rest will come here. After that I told you shall will come with I or we only. So the rest will use here will. The rest will not be. Third form of take is first form take, second form took, and third form is taken by, and I will change into me here. Second is affirmative sentence. They will spend the whole money. This is your subject. Spend is your main verb. The whole money. So the whole money is your object. Will again interchange subject or object. So the whole money will, we have to use now here be. After that third form of spend. Spend, spent, spent. Spent is your third form. By, they will change into them. Next is, it is given in interrogative. This is question word. So how to change this? Who we will change into by whom. जो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है वो सेम जगह पे ही रहेगा इंटरोगेटिव में. यू विल नॉट चेंज दैट. सो बाय होम. नाउ यू हैव टू सी विच इज सब्जेक्ट. हु विल सबमिट द रिपोर्ट. सो डोर ऑफ द एक्शन हैज़ नॉट बीन मैंशनड हियर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, ऑब्जेक्ट है रिपोर्ट. ठीक है, तो रिपोर्ट को हम आगे लेके आएंगे यहाँ पे. बट बिफोर दैट व्हाट विल कम? विल. बाय whom will the report. After that we need to add be. Then third form submitted, interrogative sign. ये who वाले क्वेश्चन होते हैं बेटा, उसमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है. ठीक है. The next is, will the new maid wash the clothes? So this is given in also interrogative, but it is starting with auxiliary verb. Okay, now see, your subject is the new maid. This is your verb and this is object. Object will come here, here. So before that will come, because it will remain interrogative. Interrogative ही रहेगा ये. So will the clothes, after that you have to add be, washed by the new maid. Okay, like this you have to change active into passive when active voice is given in simple future tense. I hope you have understood it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye students.